Hi everyone, today's video is me doing my own nails. Yes, I finally got around to doing my own nails, so hopefully in the next lot of videos I'll be uploading, you won't be forced to look at my grim fingers. I'm just showing you there I've already got my tips and clear base on and the products that I'm using from Diamond Nail Supplies. If you want to get anything from Diamond Nail Supplies, I do have a discount code which is Emma10. That will get you 10% off your orders. I just want to let you know as well, the first part of this video is me recording my non-dominant hand. I'm right-handed, so yeah, I'm coming in here and using my left hand. I would describe this method as a bit like trying to write your name with the wrong hand. It is so hard and it takes me ages to do my nails, but the more you do it, the better you are at it. But I haven't done my own nails for so long. I've really struggled with this, which you'll probably be able to tell in this video. For the most part, on my right hand, I'm mostly just trying to concentrate on getting the cuticles as neat as possible, and then I think about the apex and all that stuff afterwards. Like, these do look like a lumpy mess at the end, but I've cut out all the filing and stuff like that because it was too difficult to do it on camera. So I'm just showing you my acrylic application on both hands as well. This isn't just a video of me using my non-dominant hand, it's both hands, but I have to do my right hand with my left first because otherwise I get fed up and want to give up halfway through. So yeah, always use your bad hand first, because yeah, otherwise you'll feel like, why did I start? So yeah, I'll let you carry on watching. Yeah, it's just acrylic application, capping. Oh, I'm trying cuticle cuffs, glitter cuffs in this video for the first time ever. I've never done these before. I really liked the way they came out actually, so I'm hoping that I will do this design on people more often. I'm doing a marble now on the middle finger, and I've just got plain pink on my thumb and pinky, and I'll be doing some crystals at the end. So I've left in all the crystal application and top coating for you to see as well. So I'll just let you watch, and if you've got any comments or questions, then just pop them in the comment section. Thanks.